In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Taboola. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set it, so your ads run at the right hours for the audience you care about. First, a quick overview of what the time zone setting actually controls. In Taboola, your campaign schedule defines the specific days and hours your ads are allowed to run. The time zone you choose tells Taboola which clock to follow for that schedule. This is important because the same hour happens at different times around the world, and you want your ads to appear when your audience is actually awake, browsing, and ready to engage. Here's how to handle it. Go into the campaign where you want to manage delivery hours and open the scheduling settings. This is the area where you set the days of the week and the time ranges when your ads should run or pause. While you're in that scheduling view, look for the time zone selector. Choose the time zone that matches the location or business context you want to align with. For example, if you're targeting users in a specific region, select the local time zone for that region so that your morning, afternoon, and evening hours line up with their day. Once the time zone is set, define the exact hours and days for your ads to run. Because the schedule follows the time zone you just chose, you can think about it in local terms: morning commutes, lunch breaks, or evening browsing times in that region. If your campaign reaches multiple regions, remember that the schedule will still follow this single time zone, so pick the one that best reflects your primary audience or operational center. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Double-check the time zone label wherever it appears in the schedule so you're not mixing local time with another region's clock. If you change the time zone later, review your day-parting hours to make sure they still match your intent. Keep an eye on daylight saving time changes for the region you select, and consider reviewing your schedule around those dates to maintain consistent delivery patterns. To wrap up, the key is to set or edit your campaign schedule and choose the time zone right there, at the moment you define your days and hours. That simple choice ensures Taboola delivers your ads at the right local times for your audience, helping you improve relevance, control spend across the day, and make your reporting more intuitive.